بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة
I swear an oath by the day of resurrection,
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة
and I swear an oath by the excessively self-blaming soul of a pious believer.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه
Does man assume that we will never gather his bones?
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه
Why not? We are even able to make all his finger joints again in a perfect order.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه
Rather, man desires to commit evil in front of his sight.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة
He, i.e., man asks, when will the day of resurrection be?
فإذا برق البصر
Then, the day when the eyes are dazzled,
وخسف القمر
and the moon will be eclipsed,
وجمع الشمس والقمر
and the sun and the moon will be put together.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر
On that day, mankind will say, where is the place of escape?
كلا لا وزر
Never, there is no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر
On that day, the place of rest is towards your Lord only.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر
On that day, man will be informed of all what he sent ahead and left behind.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة
Rather, man himself is a complete witness upon his own condition.
ولو ألقى معاذيره
And even if he presents all the excuses he has, he will still not be heard.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به
You, O beloved, do not move your tongue along with the Quran in order to memorize it quicker.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه
Indeed, protecting it in your chest and your reciting it is our responsibility.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه
So when we have recited it through Jibraeel, you should thereupon follow what is being recited.
ثم إن علينا بيانه
Then indeed to explain its minute details is our responsibility.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة
Not at all. Rather, O disbelievers, you love this world and its benefits,
وتذرون الآخرة
and you have discarded the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناظرة
On that day, some faces will be bright,
إلى ربها ناظرة
looking towards their Lord,
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة
and on that day, some faces will be horrified.
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة
They will be thinking that some calamity is going to be inflicted upon them, which may break the back.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي
Yes, certainly, when the soul will reach up to the throat,
وقيل من راق
and people will say, is there any soothsayer to restore him?
وظن أنه الفراق
And he will realize that this is the time of parting,
والتفت الساق بالساق
and one shin will intertwine with the other shin.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق
On that day, everyone will be driven only towards your Lord.
فلا صدق ولا صلى
Neither did he accept Islam as the truth, and nor did he offer salah.
ولكن كذب وتولى
Yes, he belied and turned his face away.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى
Then he went back to his house arrogantly.
أولى لك فأولى
Woe to you! at the time of death and woe again in the grave.
ثم أولى لك فأولى
Again woe to you on the day of resurrection and woe again in hell.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى
Does man assume that he will be let loose?
ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى
Was he not just a drop of that sperm that is discharged?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى
Then it became a clot of blood, so he created, then made him proper.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
So he made from it two pairs, male and female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى
Will he who has done all this not be able to give life to the dead?
صدق الله العظيم